So, as you guys can tell from the title, sorry for the echo in the room, it's really empty in here, but we are installing a brand new carbon fiber ducktail or duckbill trunk for the FRS. This trunk specifically is the VIS SS style carbon fiber trunk for the FRS. So I actually already ceramic coated the entire trunk with armor shield. And before we even get started, I'm gonna bring the FRS out a little bit. That's a good spot. So this doesn't have the trunk garnish on it right now because I had to take it off and make sure that the carbon fiber trunk garnish fit the same. So my FRS has a backup camera, so I had to cut that hole as well as this hole right here inside the actual bumper. I already mentioned this, but I did ceramic coat the entire thing, so it looks beautiful right now. It's kind of crazy how reflective this is and clear. It's so nice. What's good? One of our helpers, Teddy. Come in, let me show you the trunk.
Sheesh! In the sun. Oh my god. That's crazy.
It looks super clean, right? It's way more like reflective than I thought. Rip the West Coast, baby. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm taking off the cap. Oh, okay.
So you're taking off the cap of the trunk?
Because this I put on the other. Now we just need to pull all these wires through here and put them back in the other trunk. But I want to see if this fits right onto the other trunk first. Huh?
This back part, the fit right here.
So it should line up.
Yeah, easy. Look, it's pulling up.
What are you doing? What the hell?
This guy's running us over! Chill! I don't know.
Why you guys start already without me?
No, like we were trying to take it apart.
What's that? The back?
Yeah, just look at the carbon fiber though.
Look at that backup camera.
Damn, it's fogging. Yeah, it is. It's clean. Look at it.
I had to cut the hole.
Oh my god. Milo, chill. Look, it's right here.
Alright, so that's all set up. We need to take off the actual trunk. So now we just gotta pull all the wires through here.
Oh yeah, did you show them the socket first?
You just pull it out, it's just a little rubber thing.
From the wires from...
What about all these parts and stuff?
I don't need that.
You unscrew these and they come off?
Oh, does it? Maybe. Maybe I do need that. Sweating over here, man.
You know what it connects to?
Look at
The plastic thread, those are replaceable too if I ever wear it out.
Watch, get all the way out.
Woo! Bring the grass. Is that light?
Yeah, I thought it was the end.
Alright, boys. It's time. We did it!
Alright, so first time
Hopefully it closes, dude.
Oh, that's clean, dude.
Hey! That actually looks really good.
Carbon right here.
We need more carbon, baby. Mission accomplished, boys. From the side it looks super good. It's been a while since the last time I picked up the camera, but I have another little addition. This goes on top of the back window. I'm not exactly sure what to call it, but we're gonna be installing this as well. We're putting more carbon on the car. More carbon is always better, you know, who doesn't love carbon? So we're gonna do that, but before we do that, I need to go wash my car because it's extremely dirty. I've neglected it for a while, but it's time for a clean. Alright, so now it's gonna be clean in 3, 2, 1. I don't know how good that transition was. I really love the way it looks, the way like it shines with water on it. I don't know. I'm gonna move it out before I dry it. So that means you guys get to hear it. It's not a cold start, by the way. I already drove today. It looks so good. I haven't had my car this clean in forever. My car literally has not been this clean in such a long time. Oh my god, it looks so nice. I love that trunk, man. All right, I'm gonna dry it like I said, and then we'll put the little roof spoiler. I think that's what it's called, roof spoiler. I got it. Roof spoiler. It is done. It is clean. It is dry. I left the wipers up, but it's clean, it's dry, it's so nice. All right, I'm gonna put the camera right here so we can put on the roof spoiler. I need to grab more double-sided tape. It's not really sticking that well. You know what? On second thought, it's not really sticking too well, and after further review, I'm not really sure I like it. The fitment's not great on it either, so scratch that. We're done. Scratch it. Well, at least my car's clean, right? I guess. Let me just take this off, man. Fail. Pain. 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 I don't know what to do with this. Man, I really liked it too. Whatever. Rip. Trunk looks super good. I love the carbon fiber. The roof spoiler didn't really work out, but yeah, we got more videos coming with the FRS. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, because we're gonna be doing stuff with the WRX STI, as well as my car, the FRS GT86 BRZ. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.